Welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome back to another video in the Saving a Sierra RS COSWORTH video series. Today's video, we're going to go check, see if the water level dropped. We was waiting for any airlocks to come out overnight, and we're going to run it up. We're going to go take it for a rip. I'm going to try my best not to blow it up. So I'm going to smash the GoPro in the window for a test drive, and at the end of this little video, we'll have a little chat, and at the end, I'm going to drop in some footage of my little Mark 1 Fiesta. Loads of you in the other COSWORTH video was asking questions about it, so we're going to do a little sneak peek on that, and then I've got a little bonus sneak peek at the end for all you COSWORTH lovers, and some more bits and bobs that are coming up on the channel in the future. So let's head over there. Let's see if the water level dropped down. We purposely overfilled it, left the cap off overnight, see if it had any airlocks, see if it dropped down. We're going to go and have a butcher's now and get it all running up, get the trade plates on, and yeah, see what it drives like, give you a little bit of a review and my first go, and we'll go from there. See you in a bit. As we suspected, so the water level has dropped down. It's still a bit over the maximum. We might suck a little bit out. We'll get this run up. Just want to go through, check all the tyre pressures, warm it up a little bit, and we'll smash the GoPro in the screen. I'll see you in a bit. Right, that's all the water cap back on, tyres all pumped up and checked. Just going to warm it up a little bit. Let's get this bag of shit out of my way, and then we'll drag the Cosy out. Right guys, don't know if you can see much or hear much, but we'll take it from here and have a look. So far, so good. Just coming up to normal temperature now. But seems to drive well, seems to pull well, to be fair. Steering seems connected, if that makes any sense. Typical COSWORTH, coming on boost. Arse ends squatting. Actually drives really nice. Feels quite solid. The tracking must be out. The steering wheel's a little bit on a wonk. We'll get that sorted once that's finished. It's actually fairly quiet inside for an old car, to be honest. I'm just plodding along in fifth at the moment, at about 55. It's not bad at all. Not on the best quality of road, to be fair. Just trying to get some of the rust off these brakes, get these brakes performing again. Just open the taps up a little bit. Yeah, better slow down a bit. A little bit over national there. You know what? For a standard thing, pulls really well. I remember being younger thinking these things were absolute animals. I mean, nowadays, don't get me wrong, they're still lovely car. There's still no turbo car that I've drove that comes on boost like a COSWORTH. Doesn't matter what kind of power they are, but there's just something special about a COSWORTH boosting up. But you know, when we were young, these things were absolute animals, and nowadays your wife's diesel's got as much brake horsepower, but just not as much fun. I shouldn't have drove this really, because it's making me want to keep it. I can't believe how small they are. I can't remember them being this skinny. I swear a Focus is wider than this. It's madness. There's no clonks, bonks, no whining. Actually really impressive for how old it is and how long it's not really been on the road for. And fairly quiet. Quieter than quite a few of the modern cars I've got inside, to be honest. Let's go and find a petrol station. We need to chuck some fuel in. They're on the red. fresh petrol in it. I'll pull into the petrol station up here. I'll cut back in a sec. Oh, there we go, guys. Some super petrol in it. Let's go. That window up. God knows what you lot are hearing. Come on, girl, stretch your legs. It's like a boat, this whole thing. Having some scraping. Do miss a cosy. Behave myself. Right, do you know what? For a standard machine, pulls really, really well. I'll give it that. Every gear though, solid. All these ponies are nowhere to gallop. Been in a rear wheel drive Ute. Screw these windows up. Like that. Right, how do we get out of here? Right guys, I'll see you in a bit. There we go guys, it didn't blow up. One good thing. Yeah, drives really well. Really impressed actually, to be honest. Right guys, due to the amount of messages and stuff that I got on the Cosworth video about my little Mark 1 Fiesta, I popped into keep my little Mark 1 Fiesta. I thought I'd give you a little bonus sneak peek of that, and I got a little bonus sneak peek of something else that's coming up on the channel. Let me turn this round and I'll show you. Here she is, hidden away. Let me put this down somewhere, get the cover off and I'll show you. She is. This is how I bought it. I bought it as a bare shell. All the inside, well, it's full of all the stuff, obviously, but all you can see, all the inside's done, painted, never been welded. In the back, in the boot, probably not going to be able to see. I've got stuff in the way. There's literally two little plates. The whole lot's been finished in white. They've put a welded a brace across. So the whole lot's painted inside and the engine bay's all painted. I won't bother trying to remove all that, might be able to poke through there. But yeah, you can see all the engine bay's done and painted. The outside's all in primer, but this is how I bought it with everything. Came with an ST170 engine, not my cup of tea, so we're going to chuck a Fiesta turbo engine in that one. And yeah, I've got to choose a colour, and when I get a bit more time I'm going to make a start on it, and we're going to do the whole lot. And this is my little toy, this is my little baby. So I'm going to put this all right, get this back on the road. Be running a little Fiesta RS turbo set up in it, and we'll have some diamond cut foil spokes on it, dropped on its knees, and we'll go from there. So yeah, I've got that, and then I'll give you another little sneak peek of something else that could be coming up on the channel. Keep you guys happy. Before you all go mad with the comments, I have been struggling to keep up with all these comments. It will be soon, but not immediate. I've got loads of other things to get on with first, and then I'm going to drag this in. Let's give you a little bonus sneak peek. Can you tell what it is yet? Can you see? Can you tell? Does anyone know what that is yet? There we go. No, I'm only joking. Let me turn you around and I'll give you a quick glimpse of what it is. There she is. Got a bit of bodywork to sort out on it. Nothing drastic. Gonna do the front bib, this usual bit on the spoiler. It's done 40k. Lovely thing. And after putting my sapphire up on there, you just like gone mad, and the channel's gone mental. It's absolutely gone crazy, and I can't keep up with all the comments. I'm trying my hardest to reply to all of you guys, but yeah, massive thank you and a massive hello to all the new subscribers. But once I've got through my little stockpile of things that we have to do, this little beaut's going to make an appearance. I'm going to do a few bits of bodywork on this, put this right and make it beautiful. Not that it ain't beautiful already. There's hardly anything wrong with it. Just a few like niggly bits, little front bib down there. Got to do a couple of little bits on that, and typical rear whale tail spoiler. Got to do a little touch up on that, and then it's back to its former glory. So yeah, a lot of people was asking about my little Fiesta, and I thought I'd share, if I was going to share a little sneak peek in that vid, I thought I'd share another little sneak peek, so you guys know what's going on, what's coming up, and you know, just a little bit more about the channel. I know a lot of you are brand new, some of you have been following me for ages, but yeah, this is what we're going to be seeing soon. There we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. What we're going to do next is I'm waiting for my slot to get the rear main oil seal done and all the other bits and bobs done on the Cosy. My mate is stacked out with work. He's absolutely rammed, and he does a hell of a lot of key workers' cars, nurses, doctors, things like that. He does police officers' cars as well. He's always busy. Normally, he just squeeze me in, but the way things are at the minute, I've got to wait in line like everybody else. So as soon as we've got more ramp time, we're going to get the gearbox off, get the rear main oil seal done, and get all the other bits done. I've got to say a massive thank you. The channel has blown up and gone crazy. I didn't expect it to go like this. Otherwise I would have just started with a Cosworth. I've had it ages. But no, you know, massive welcome, massive hello to all the new subscribers, and a massive thank you for the old subscribers sticking around. I do try my hardest to answer all them comments, but there is so many. It's like I need a secretary now. It's mental. But yeah, like I said before, welcome to the channel, hello, and massive thank you for subscribing. There's loads of you that are not subscribed. I've got to start plugging away at that. We want to grow the channel, we want to become the best we can be. So if you're new and you're watching the videos and you're not subscribing, hit that subscribe button, and there's going to be plenty more content for you guys coming. whether it be on the builds we're doing, our salvage, spraying, detailing, and all my how-to videos. I've got loads of them planned, loads of them coming up. I know loads of you guys like getting into your cars and want to learn to do your own bodywork, things like that. It's a bit daunting for some of you, so I'll try keep some of them videos coming as well. Yeah, just blown away. Blown away is the only word I can say. Hope you're gonna, if you are, stay safe. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.